Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's me, Alicia, if this is your first time here, and if not, welcome back. Okay, so I didn't record this faux lock install because it's the exact same install that I did several months ago, so you can go check that out. I'll leave the link in the description box. But a lot of you guys were asking, hey, you did your faux locks and then the next day you had like all these jewels in them and they look like goddess locks. How did you do that? So this is just going to be a quick video to show you guys how I bedazzle my faux locks. Really short, really short and sweet, but I hope you guys find it informative. So let's just jump right into it. So you see that it's a small amount. I don't want it to be too big. And I'm just going to just pick, it doesn't matter. You're just gonna go in to one of your boxes, hook the crochet on there, put the hair on there, and then tie it. And you only have to do this twice. So it adds a little definition to the locks. And I'm just going to do that sporadically. So this is the yarn. It comes as one solid piece. So one long solid piece. So normally I just start at the end and then I take like that long, so I extend the length of my hands and then I cut that. And then make that a half. So it kind of looks like a half like that. And then I only do this to like the front pieces of the hair. So I'll take this. So what I'll do is I will crochet needle, put it in through the, so this is the crochet needle in through the bohemian, grab your end piece and pull that through. So it looks like this. And then I'm going to tie that. We'll loop it through. So you have like this little loop. And then all you're going to do is just wrap this around the lock. And if you don't want a long piece of rope, you could always get it smaller. I like these to be a little bit longer. So that's why I do it to the length of my arm. But you'll see how long this goes. And then you could, I'm sorry. And then you could adjust it to however long you want it to go. And I have different variations. Like this one, I'll go really long. Some of them I'll have really, really short. So it just depends. I just like to have a little definition that goes with them. Alright, so I have about that much left. I'm going to wrap one other piece around twice. And then I'm just going to double tie that. And then the piece that's left over, I'm just going to cut it. There we go. Now we have that little, see, that's super cute. So those are in, they're a little bit everywhere. I've got them in the front, in the back, in the side. They're a little everywhere. Last but not least, I will be putting in my jewels. These will go in periodically. They don't, I don't know why I keep saying periodically. Sporadically. I don't have a definite place to put them. It's just if I find a lock, that's where it goes. These rings, the ones with the ring and the shell, the rings have a tendency to fall out easier. So I don't anticipate these being in for the whole life of the faux locks. They eventually fall out, or like when I'm taking my ponytail out, they'll come out. So I don't anticipate these staying in my hair that long, but at least to last me while I'm on vacation. And I wish they had more, so the filigree ones that had the shell on the end, I love these, and I know that these are going to stay in. But unfortunately, I got like the last pack, so I might go back later on to see if they have them, but they only had one pack. And I don't double, so I pulled this one and saw there was already one on that, so I'll just do different. I don't try to put, so I don't overload a faux lock. I do make sure, so like this has the gold thing, that's the only thing that's going to have on there. I won't put like a jewel or anything like that. So I try to make sure that they are evenly dispersed, so that at least they have at least something. So that's the only thing that'll be on there. And just like that, I am done. My locks are bedazzled. I've got a little bit of goddess things going on. Got some jewels in here, and that's it. As you can tell, it's not methodical. It's just me parsing out different jewels to put everywhere. But I hope that this helps you, because I did get a lot of comments like, sis, like, you went from showing us your faux lock install, and then the next slide you had all these things going on and you didn't tell us about them. So I wanted to make sure that I showed you guys how I bedazzled my faux locks. Don't forget to check out all my other videos, guys. I will put the faux lock install in the description box so you guys can see it. In the meantime, check out all my other videos. Like, comment, subscribe, let me know your thoughts, and I will catch you guys next week. Bye.